Mobile charging cables for consumer electronics. By types, by application, by regions. Registering a CAGR of 5.4% over the forecast period, the market value of mobile charging cables for consumer electronics is expected to reach $3,016.9 million in the year 2027. Key players: Ugreen, PYS, Pisen, Anker, BELKIN, DNS, ZMI, Baseus, CE-Link, Hank, Native Union, Bull. Market segmentation. By type. Apple Lightning, single cable. USB-C, single cable. Common single cable. Multiple cables in one. By application. Mobile phone accessories store. 3C retail store. Online sales. Others. Key highlights: Oppo launches 125W flash charge, 65W Air VOOC wireless flash charge and 50W mini super VOOC charger. Thank you for watching us. For more information visit us at IndustryDataAnalytics.com.